Ready to haul? Okay, start hauling. Are those raindrops I feel? I don't feel anything, man. The weather will be fine. Hey, we're out of beer. I think we need to go down. I'll buy you a beer when we get to the top. Dude, I'm kind of like lost stoke for the project. Well, I got enough for you when you get up here. We're gonna run out of water in 3 days. I think we need to go down. I got plenty in my face right now. I don't know if you know this, but I've never pooped outside before. I'll hold your hand until you gotta do it later. Dude, this work is so hard. Come and feel how hard this is. Yeah, man, I'm kind of done leading. If you want to keep going, like, you can do the other 29 pitches. How do these Jumars work?
What are you doing?
I'm just trying to be supportive.
Ryan, it's not how you get ready for a big wall. If you wanted to see how to do a big wall, go check out this online class called How Not to Big Wall, because this ain't it.
Well, that sucked, as much as doing a big wall that you're not prepared for. Practicing every day keeps Yosar away. Welcome to the How Not to Big Wall course, where we broke into 12 videos, everything you need to know before you go up your first wall. Now, this is only a piece of a bigger project that we call the Big Wall Bible. But I'm tired of my nuts being soaking wet, so I'm gonna go change.
Finally, he's done talking. I'll introduce myself. My name is Jeremiah Letourneau, and I am a rock climber who has been climbing since 2013. Since 2013, I've been able to
I can't think. I just cannot think. Oh, this is actually good big wall practice.
That was perfect.
So what's the breaking strength of Ryan? Right now I work 7 days a week, 12 hours a day on this channel, and I might get burnt out, but I don't want to find out if I do. I need your help. I need 1,000 patrons at $1 per episode to make this thing viable. Now hear me out. I look like a big YouTube channel at 110,000 subscribers, but I'm not financially a big YouTube channel because of the type of content I make. And I'm sure if you've seen the videos, you can see why it's hard to get sponsored. Buying the shirts helps. Extremegear.org helps. And ad revenue helps. And I'm very transparent on the donation page on how much all that is and the fact that it doesn't pay for the amount of money I pour back into this. But with 1,000 patrons for about a year, I could go from looking like a big channel to actually figuring out how to make money on YouTube. I'm more interested in producing content and results for you guys, like filming this big wall course, than I am about trying to squeeze some lemon somewhere. It isn't fun for me to just keep asking for money, and I won't have to if I have 1,000 patrons, and then the shirts can grow and the extreme gear can grow and I can even mature in that. But I also hate subscription-based things, I get it. But I don't need a lifetime commitment. But if you could just be a patron for 1 year, I could afford to hire the editor to take the videos 90% and a ghostwriter / more proofreader to make it so I can write these big wall Bibles and stuff so much faster. And then I already hired the guy to design the website. We've already spent $5 grand coding it because I really want written content, thorough written content of everything we've done. And I also want short form, and we're gonna post on Instagram a break test every day and stuff like that to give people the flavor they want. But the free content isn't free to make, and I really need your help. And if you can go and click the Patreon link below, I would really be grateful. Cheers.